Hello, Capricorn. Welcome to your weekly reading. Hello. This is for April 17th through 23rd. Hope you're amazing. So, we're going to pull out some cards for the week and then talk about it. Sorry, because I had put them back for whatever reason. Okay. So, let's start Capricorn, 17th through 23rd. We have gossip, awakens consideration for the feelings of others and honoring trust. Okay. The first thing I got from this card, Capricorn, is just listen to what they have to say. Okay. Capricorn. And then we have phase entanglement, emotional influence. Yeah. I feel like someone has done something to you without thinking. The problem with that is, Capricorn, you don't forgive very easily. But the energy is telling me to just listen, to have you just listen. Yeah, I feel like someone did something without thinking. Yeah, you need to look at something with brand new eyes. That's exactly what I'm seeing here. Someone definitely did something without thinking here. And this is like coming to apologize or talk about it or discuss what it is that they're feeling. So this week I'm going to pull out 3 stories and see what we got, okay? Capricorn. So we have the King of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles in reverse, and the Knight of Wands. Yeah, this is somebody coming to talk to you. You are immovable though. I feel like whatever happened, you are like, I'm good where I am. You know, I feel like you focusing on your money, you are focusing on your home, you're doing you for sure. You've taken this as a loss. You know, like this is a loss of something that you thought would last, but it didn't. Okay. That's exactly what it looks like. It's like it's gone. You know, and you're taking care of what is important to you now at this moment, you know? And then I feel like someone's coming in to talk to you. Someone's coming in to discuss something. So let's see what it is. They may have tried to date other people or even find something outside of you, and it looks like it didn't work. Okay? And it all looks like this was based on maybe what someone else has told them or some sort of hasty decision that they made without thinking it through. That's what it is. And I feel like this is like trying to come back to fix things or come back and resolve it. That's what it looks like. Like, it's like I'm not getting Capricorn's attention, so I got to figure out how to get it. Okay? And let me see why this ended. Capricorn, they felt like you didn't care about them. You know? This could be a person that liked a lot of attention. It's almost like they just felt like you didn't pay attention to them. That's what it looks like. You know? Like it wasn't going to be successful. You know, it could have been, let me see. Yeah. I feel like they took a risk. They took a risk to do something. It's like they were trying to test you or see how patient you were or something like that. And it didn't work. So they didn't feel loved. And that was the end. That's what it looks like to me. But I'm going to be honest, Capricorn. I feel like you... Yeah. I feel like you did miss them at a point. But you went back to, you literally just went back to work. That's what it looks like. You focused on what it is you had before them and what you'll have after them, it looks like. You know? But they are rushing in to say some things to you, okay? Okay. That's one. I'm going to use different decks because I don't want to mix up the energy. Ooh, we just falling out here. So we got 10 of Pentacles in reverse, Ace of Cups, and the Hermit. Okay, Capricorn, it looks like you're thinking about your future as far as finances go this week. Or maybe like money you have lost, or business you have lost, or opportunity that you've lost. It's like you're more worried about your future. I feel like you're trying to get the umph back, like you just don't have that umph that you had before. And you're thinking about how that's going to affect your future or your bottom line or your money or your career, because you don't have that. So this week you could be spending some time trying to figure that out. That's what it looks like. You're going to spend some time trying to figure that out for yourself. And it could be that person that's coming back. You're like, I need to figure out what I'm going to do about that, after I've already kind of like let this go. Yeah, it could be that you spent some time kind of away from things to get the umph back or to focus on another project. Like you took a break. It could have been a vacation as well, but when you got back, it just feels like it wasn't the same somehow. Yeah, I feel like you're trying to figure out how to make more money, how to do things better. This week is going to be a lot of revamping and redoing, renovating, all of that. You may be redoing your home. I feel like you're doing things that you can do alone. So cleaning out your car, buying things for your home to replace other things that may be broken. Something as simple as that. Yeah. You know what? This is like confusion of your path. This is confusion about what you want for the future. Not knowing if you're on the right path. Yeah. What was for you in the past may not be for you now. And that's fine. But I feel like you're trying to figure out what to do about that or what the next step is. Yeah, it's like you're tired of fighting for something or tired of pushing for something. And it's like you have this kind of epiphany moment where you go, Is this really what I want? Is this how I want things to be? Yeah, it's like, are you working towards something that doesn't suit you anymore or not? That's what that is, you know? Are you putting in your time kind of in vain on creating something that you don't really want to create? Yeah, this is a wake up call for somebody. This is definitely like what fit you in the past may not fit you now. And it's like you're trying to figure out, honestly, Capricorn, if it's worth the to continue. Yeah, I feel like a lot of you are just going to instinctively go back to whatever this is. Um, this may be as simple as just needing a transformation or just needing things to change. You know, like just needing a revamp, like the last energy. That's what it is. It's like, don't be so impulsive to change things. Yeah, don't be so impulsive to walk away. Because I feel like everything just looks like it's leading to you to walk away, but that's not, it's almost like the easiest thing to do. Okay. All right. All right, Capricorn. I love you. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.